Alright guys, what's going on? Today we've got a crazy gameplay coming up with the gun featured right here on screen. The Sorrow's Verse. Guys, this gun's incredible. You guys need to give it a shot if you get a roll similar to this or something that maxes out the stability, the range, get yourself a little damage bonus. This gun absolutely shreds. It's a fucking laser beam. Look, so perk-wise, guys, we've got polygonal rifling, steady rounds, tap the trigger, which does increase stability and accuracy on initial trigger pull. Frenzy, being in combat extended time, increases damage, handling, and reload for this weapon until you're out of combat. And then obviously we've got the trait, the Thorough Synergy. Reloading this weapon grants bonus handling and reduces incoming flinch. Guys, we've got this thing with a range masterwork, so let's get that range increased a little bit. We also are running the counterbalance stock as well. As far as the other parts of the build, we have the Ragnall D, which the roll I'm running on this thing would be full choke, assault mag, perpetual, elemental capacitor with a range masterwork. The armor pieces are here just to complement the rest of the build, guys. So anyways, let's get into this video. This video will actually be ripped straight from my stream. So I will leave my stream link in the bottom of the description below. Y'all make sure to go click the link, drop your boy a follow on Twitch, because we are live basically every single day, grinding out, having a great time. We'll see you guys there. Radiant Cliffs.
Can you one tap in the head, or do you have to hit? Or
No, it goes a little over half their health on a headshot.
That's ridiculous. I don't know about you, but if I took an arrow to the head, even with a fucking shield, I want to be happy.
I wouldn't be happy. Be like that Skyrim guard. Took an arrow to the knee.
Arrow to the knee.
I'm gonna use my other little auto rifle. That is another. This thing's a little laser beam too.
A rifle that looks like a shotty. Just looks like a shotty.
Oh, that was another enemy team. I was gonna try to just, challenge one at a time there, but the whole fucking team was there.
They were like, nah, fuck you.
Nah. Fuck you. And your chicken strips.
Fuck your chicken strips. Jesus, nice shots.
My God, dude.
Oh my God, Flame, chill out, dog. Oh, and you shit on that kid too?
Laser beam, dog.
You just swooped that kill from somebody.
Oh, I definitely did.
You just shot that grenade launcher in that guy's ass.
You see why I like this game? Oh, what? Okay.
I'm actually enjoying watching it. See ya!
Oh my God!
Oh, nice swap.
Are they just gonna let me torture them back here? What the? How the fuck did I kill that kid? No, bro! Wait! Oh my God!
You hit him with that shotty? Bro, that was disgusting.
That shouldn't have hit! That's a party foul, son. Oh my Jesus Christ, dude. I love this, dude. I love this auto rifle. Dude, I kind of start feeling bad now. Zone B lost. Power play. Enemy has your zone.
They are kind of nasty though. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck?
What?
You're fucking frying with that gun.
Thank you.
Crucible.
This isn't fair.
What are you doing, bro?
I don't know. Dude, I got a ghost in the night. That was like 10 kills taking no damage or some shit.
But you went on a 15.
Oh, was it a 15? Jesus.
Yeah.
I may be shredding.
You took them. Now hold.
A wee little bit.
Zone C lost.
Nah, get up. Come on, bro.
Jesus, bro.
Zone A lost. Enemy has advantage. Zone C.
He had you. You should have died from that one.
Oh, I definitely should have.
A strong start. Fight on. Zone B lost. This is wonderful.
Oh my Jesus Christ, dude.
Oh my god.
Nah, bro. I'm just fucking... I'm giving this lobby every bit of what it can't handle right now.
You have zone advantage. Double down. Fire team that fights together stays together. Double down.
Why can't we do that in COD?
Because I'm bad.
Zone B lost. A well
Jesus Christ, bro. God damn. SBMM in his prime?
damn,
What's
bro.
up, Sergio?